nitrogen, it goes. Now, as you can see, it's starting to get smaller. Now, the molecules are getting closer and losing their energy and turning from a gas to a liquid.
Oh, yeah, right at the bottom of the balloon, there's now a tiny, tiny bit of liquid.
Yes, now this is the cool bit. As I take it out, the heat from the air all around us, because the heat around us is much warmer, makes it go back to its original size.
Because all the molecules inside were gaining enough energy to turn from a liquid back to a gas. That is a very cool demonstration. Big round of applause.
Now, would you like to see something dangerous? Now, liquid nitrogen is constantly boiling and nothing can stop that.
The gas clouds just escaping from the top of the bottle. So of course, once we put the lid on really, really tight, we're going to be trapping all that escaping gas inside the bottle. The bottle will then start to expand, getting bigger and bigger and bigger until, I'm sure you've all guessed it, a great big bang. Which means there's just one question to ask. Do you guys all want to see it? Our type of audience. Now, unfortunately, for this experiment, we can't do a countdown. It'll do its own thing in its own time. So keep taking those pictures, and I'm sure you'll capture all those photos and videos and boomerangs and slow-mos and whatever else you kids do these days. Right, here we go. It is now time to do it. The liquid nitrogen is constantly boiling. The gas clouds are escaping from the bottle. We use the lid to trap all that gas inside the bottle. A few twists to make sure it's on nice and tight. Okay, into the barrel it goes. Okay, fingers in ears, everybody. And let's have a round of applause for liquid nitrogen.
What do you think? Yeah, did it surprise you? How was it for you again, Selena? I know. Wow, it's a big bang.
So pouring boiling hot water onto the liquid nitrogen.
Oh yeah!
Okay, let's get it all set up. Now, the first thing we're going to need for this experiment is a container for the liquid nitrogen. So we'll use this bucket just here. Now, Colette is going to go and get bucket number 2. And in the orange bucket, we'll have our boiling hot water. And I'm sure you all know that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. So remember, the liquid nitrogen boils at minus 196 degrees Celsius. So the difference between the two liquids is nearly 300 degrees. So when they meet, the reaction should be pretty explosive. And you can always tell when it's getting more dangerous because the safety equipment gets slightly larger. So here we go.
Get those cameras ready, and don't forget, if you would like to participate in our big group experiment in part 2, you still have time to get those glow sticks in the interval.
So that's every last drop of liquid nitrogen. So we're going to finish part 1 by seeing what happens when boiling hot water meets liquid nitrogen. Okay, let's do it in 3, 2, 1. See you after the break.
Thank you so much. It's very kind. That's very kind. That's a little favour bit. Okay, very well. Okay, I'm sorry, but we need everyone to stay off stage. Sorry.
They get so
sorry,
excited
everybody
with
on
all
stage,
that.
please.
Why you doing so much? I don't know. Come here. Where's Jake?